everything, no, I can't stop now. Look what we started, baby. You're not what I expected, 'cause all I ever wanted was someone. Look what we started, baby. Used to look for exits, 'cause all I ever wanted was someone.
Oh, sorry folks, I meant to keep the light on and just the speed. Anyways, this is what happens when you dust up your ceiling fans every 3 to 6 months. And this is exactly how ceiling fans last longer. Hey neighbor, how you doing?
Good.
Just checking out the ceiling fan after it's been cleaned. Looks good.